Hi there, this video's come out of a recent comment I had on one of my videos, and the commenter concerned asked me a question about Wi-Fi radio, because I've done a couple of videos on Wi-Fi internet radio, and he commented on the fact that the Frontier Nuvola internet portal was closing, and he had to register for a new account on another portal called Airable, I think. Now, when I saw this comment, I thought, this chap's confused. There's no problem with the Frontier Nuvola portal. I've got a number of radios. I think I've got 3 radios here that run from that, and they're all still working. But sure enough, when I logged on to the Frontier Nuvola website here, I got this little comment that from the 1st of November, Frontier has transferred to Airable, and that I needed to create a new account to import my favourites. So all I've done so far with this is I've created an account just using my email address and a password, and we'll log in on that. And the next thing we have to do is go to our internet radio and get a code. So I'll do that. I'll go to the Bush radio I've got in the Shark office here, and I'll see if I can get the code, and we'll put it into this website and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I've gone to the Bush radio in the Shack here, and I've got a code. So I'll just put the code into the box here. This code expires in 10 minutes, in case anyone was thinking of using this one themselves. Don't know what good it would do you, but it's not going to work anyway. So okay, and you can see now I've connected the radio. This is the Bush Wi-Fi radio in my shack, and we can import the favourites that were already saved, I guess, in the Nuvola website. So interesting enough, that import button is only going to be available until the end of this month. So if you've got a radio that operates on the Frontier Nuvola portal, you need to do this by the end of this month. It's the 3rd of November 2024 as I'm recording this. I'll click that button. It can, obviously I've done these other steps that's come up here. It's kind of an odd way of doing it, but can I just import now, or have I got to choose a file? Let's try choose a file. Oh, I haven't got a file. Okay, that's an export. Okay, export by favorite. Right, okay, so it's a 2-step. I see, right. You're learning with me on this one. I've got to log into the Nuvola portal. So I'll just sign in with that. Okay, right. And then I have to export from there. So I export from the Nuvola portal. That's going to be in my downloads folder. Okay, so we'll now go back to the Airable portal, find the file. It's going to be my downloads. Let's go to downloads. There it is. I'll open that. So I've chosen that file. And let's see if I can import it. And now it's going to import. Now, the favorites function isn't something I'm that bothered about. I'm just doing this to show you what you need to do. The message, the overriding message with this video is don't panic. If you have a radio that's operated on the Frontier Nuvola portal, it will still work. Reading the press release, which I'll show you in a moment. Let's see if I can find it here for you. it looks like all that's changed really is the favourite aspect and possibly the online search for stations. For example, if I click stations here, will I actually do anything? I'm not even sure if this website's fully functional yet. Certainly not. Doesn't seem to be doing much. Seems very slow. Import happens in the background. Please be patient. So okay, it may take some time. So we'll leave that. Let me just go back to my search for Frontier Nuvola. And I think, no, it's not there. I did find my video there, interestingly. Let's see. Let's try Frontier Nuvola closing. Here we go. Okay, so the brands that are going to transition to Airable, so they'll work as before. We've got Roberts there. Interestingly enough, the radio I've just looked at in the shack here is a Bush, but it's working. But the Roberts, various ones, Majority, Pure, Technicsat, they're all going to work. And if we look at the press notice, okay, that's the brands. There is a press notice somewhere, hopefully. Here we are. Airable is now servicing smart radios with internet radio podcast and favourites portal. The brand that entered into a service agreement with Airable. The transition of these products was completed by October 31st. Now, I didn't notice this because my radio carried on working, as I said. So for clients of these brands, no action required. Devices continue to work, and that's quite true. If you want to move your favourites, then you have to do what I've just done. Looks like it's going to take a little while. I did find an earlier release that told you a little bit more about Airable. And maybe it's that one. And it just sounded like... here we are. Yeah, Airable has been working with Frontier Smart for many years and delivering the internet radio, podcast catalogue and other services. So it looks like it's just the administration of the favourites has changed because the Airable have been behind the portal for some years. That's my reading of it. Maybe a contract has come up and, a contract has ended and these brands have had to sign a new contract with Airable. I don't know. But certainly for the moment, your Frontier Nuvola based radios will still be working. So no need to panic. If you're concerned about your favourites that you've got stored on Frontier Nuvola website, then just go through the process here and they should still work after you've imported them. It does look to be a slow process. I thought it would be instantaneous, obviously not. But there we are. It's easy to register with Airable. Whether this website is going to be improved, because I'm guessing... here we are. We've got the stations search here. So again, we've got origin. So we've got the various countries listed here we can search for. We've got the genres, so news, music, whatever. And we can search for the various languages. So it looks easy to use. Let's see if we've got China. Let's see if we've got any news stations in English. There we go. China Plus Radio, CGTN, and something else. Interesting enough, it says it's in English, but it's all in Chinese there. But just the same way, we could mark that as a favourite, I guess, and we could also listen to it from the website from there. So there you go. That's the changeover from Frontier Nuvola to Airable. If you've got a Roberts radio or a Majority, those are the names I recognise, or the Bush, which seems to have very similar hardware to the Roberts actually. You should be fine with this transfer. Just a little heads up if you're using a Wi-Fi radio, and thank you for watching.